If you find yourself losing in the crypto market time and time again, every bull cycle you go into, you think this time is going to be different. You end up round tripping your bags and you only take a little bit of profit, or worst case scenario, you sell too late and you're actually down money. This video is for you. If you've been in the bull cycle, or if you've had countless Bitcoin cycles, one, two, three, or maybe even four, and you're still here, you still haven't retired from your job. Because honestly, guys, after 3 to 4 bull markets, you should have been retired. You should have made an insane amount of wealth. And if you haven't, then this video is for you. My name is Ro. I've been in crypto since 2017. I retired at the age of 24 from corporate work thanks to crypto just last year. So this video is for you guys. Stay until the end because I'm going to drop so much sauce and tell you guys why it is that you keep losing and what to do to prepare for the next cycle so you can literally, guys, dummy proof your way into success. With that being said, let's get straight into today's video. Now, a lot of it, 2025 didn't go as planned. Okay, 2025 was overhyped. 2025 bull market. You know, we were hearing people say Bitcoin at 200K, Ethereum 10K. A lot of people thought crypto was going to go a lot higher than it really did. So when we had the top come in October, I can't 100% blame you guys for not having took profits. Now, I was calling for a top in October, just listening or just being a part of the markets for so long. You kind of understand how these cycles go, and until the 4-year cycles break, until we're proven otherwise, I will still continue to remain to follow them, and that is something that you should do as well. Now, a lot of it is due to this, right? National US debt just hit a record high of 40 trillion. Out of 45 US presidents in history, President Trump is now solely responsible for 28.6% of the national debt. Now, there's no doubt in my mind, a lot of our pro crypto president, per se, was responsible for the way the markets went. He's responsible for a lot of liquidations. He's responsible for taking a lot of money from people's hands and putting it into his pockets, which is sad to see. The system works against us every single day, okay? But there's still ways to get around it, right? It happened for me, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did. But if we keep looking here, guys, this is really sad as well, right? These are things that are kind of out of your control. $40 million in Bitcoin was stolen because of a cold card wallet vulnerability. The attacker exploited a flaw in cold card's key generation and stole these funds within 25 minutes. Even cold wallets aren't safe. Now, cold wallets are supposed to be the standard. They're supposed to be the holy grail of storing your crypto, right? You always hear the term, not your keys, not your crypto, because they want to promote buying cold wallets, right? They want to promote you not having it connected to the internet, not having it connected to your laptop or anything like that, literally just like a USB type of thing, right? But it's crazy to think that even in something like this, people, their funds or money are just not safe. Now, the way the market sentiment is looking like right now, it really feels like a bottom is forming. I could tell you guys right now that even this video isn't going to get too many views, and that's because the people that are going into other crypto cycles, they're only going to come back, or the people that have been in crypto for a really long time and have failed time and time again, they're only going to come back when it feels good to do so. They're only going to come back when emotionally it feels right. They're only going to come back when it feels good to chase that green candle, right? And for those of you that are watching right now, I'm telling you, you are getting a generational opportunity. I think the next bull run that we are going to go into is going to be unlike anything that we've ever had. I really do believe that it's going to be a massive upside potential, and it really just depends when you buy, not when you sell. And you guys are getting those opportunities right now, okay? Look at this chart over here. This is one of the most simple 4-year cycle charts that I have ever marked up. And I need you guys to pay very close attention to this, because this is literally something that a 5-year-old can understand. And if this is your 4th crypto cycle and you still are losing, please, please, please just pay attention to this. Okay, guys, usually what we see, okay, I'm not going to go to the first halving, but it applies to the first halving as well. You can see this is the second halving that we've ever had. This happened on July 9th, 2016. After that halving, it took us about 518 days to hit an all-time high in that bull market. After the all-time high, it took us 1 year exactly, 364, right? 365 days for us to find a bottom right after. So 518 days after the halving to hit a top, and then a year for us to find the bottom. The third halving, this is May 11, 2020. Okay, it took us again, basically 546 days, which is roughly 30 days more than the previous cycle. It took us that many days to find a top. And then what happened? It took us roughly a year, right? The same amount of days to find a bottom right? So the top came in 546 days and the bottom was found 371 days after. And we see the same thing apply here. This is the fourth halving that we recently went through on 2024. After the halving, 532 days after is when the Bitcoin top came in. And so what do you guys think is going to happen, right? History doesn't repeat, it often does rhyme. And I like to look at those rhymes. And I think that another Bitcoin bottom is going to happen within that 1 year mark, right? Give or take a couple days, give or take 10, 20 days, either more or either less. But you guys, please, please, please pay attention to the data. Pay attention to things that have happened in the past. History is such a clear indicator of what is going to happen next. Now, I've been saying this for a really long time. It's something that I've been preaching inside of the Discord as well. I've been saying that this is going to happen for so long. When people called for February of 2026 for the bottom to come in, I've been saying that is not going to be the case. Now, if you guys want to know exactly when I buy, when I sell, right, meme coins that we get into, not to mention, guys, we literally called a meme coin inside of the Discord in a bear market, okay? We are in a bear market right now. Let me show you guys. This meme coin literally did over a 65x, okay? And that is none other than Ninehood. We called this thing inside of my Discord group at $25,000 market cap, guys. Literally at $25,000 market cap, okay? Do you know how much of a gain that is? I can't even get as far down. 25,000 to where we are right now. That is a 7,300% gain, guys. That is about a 74x return. That is insane. And this is in a bear market, okay? There's literally people that have flipped. Imagine $100, 74x. That's massive. That's $7,400. That's insane. The amount of potential that there is inside of this Discord. Definitely go ahead and check it out. There's a link in the description for you guys to join. Now, another reason that people keep losing, they keep failing, is because you guys keep round tripping your bags. You need to stop listening to crypto Twitter. You need to stop listening to some of these big YouTubers that are going to tell you some of the most dumbest price predictions, right? It reminds you of some meme coin price predictions that people were saying 60 billion, 50 billion. Listen, guys. If you come into the market with $1,000 and you turn it into 10K, take that profit, come back next cycle, turn that 10K into 100K. Or if you know what you're doing, then yeah, fair enough. But if you don't know what you're doing, don't just hold it until everything moons, right? Don't just hold it, because here's the truth. No one's going to hold hands together and sell at the same exact time. That is not going to happen. You know, you're not going to ride that one undervalued altcoin to the top with every other altcoin bag holder, everyone else that holds an altcoin. You're not all going to sell together and then, you know, say kumbaya, because that's not the case. The case is it's PvP. It's like you're in a Roman Colosseum. It's free for all, okay? You need to make sure that you are taking profit when nobody else wants to take profit. You want to make sure that you are buying when no one else wants to buy. It's as simple as that, guys. It really is just that black and white. But the problem with that is that our brain knows what to do, but our heart doesn't want to do it. Our heart thinks it knows best. Our heart thinks that it could go a little bit higher. Our heart thinks we don't want to miss that 100% move. We don't want to miss that 200% move. That is what our heart thinks. And we get that buyer's confirmation because everyone around us, you know, just like monkeys or parrots, are saying the same thing. They're like, yeah, it's going to go higher, it's going to go higher. Stop listening to the people around you, okay? Buy when it's low, sell when it's high. It's as simple as that. But do not round trip your bags. Do not hold on to it forever, because I'm telling you, if you held on to all the altcoins that we called last cycle in our Discord, you're going to be down now. You're going to be down in your bags, and you're probably just going to leave the market and then come back next cycle, do the same thing over again, and then never make it. That's the worst thing you could do. So guys, lock in. Now is the time that you should really be deploying your capital into these different asset classes, such as crypto. And if you guys need help doing that, join the inner circle down below. Obviously, this is not financial advice, but if you enjoyed this video, please guys help me out. Subscribe, help me get to 20K. Like this video if you did enjoy, and hit that bell so you never miss an upload. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, y'all, and peace out.